Hey, this is Frontier Geek coming at you. How's everybody out there doing? We're launching our brand new channel. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. It should be good. We're going to be doing off-roading. We're going to be doing parts. We're going to be doing builds. We're going to be doing electronics. I am going to show you a whole bunch of stuff that I've learned in the last 2 years of working with four-wheel drives, and in the 30-plus years before that, working with competition vehicles, high-performance street engines, and all sorts of other crazy buggies. So I hope you're ready for this ride. So you're probably wondering what it is we're going to be talking about. Well, I'm going to tell you. We're going to talk about all sorts of things. We're going to look at suspension lifts. We're going to look at wheel spacers. We're going to look at tire choices. We're going to look at electronics. We're going to look at electrical. And that probably scares you, doesn't it? Because a lot of people don't understand electrical. It can be very daunting for those who have not worked with or maybe have seen. I'm going to take away that take away that fear. We're going to work on this together. I'm going to show you the correct way to do wiring, the correct way to solder, the correct way to terminate cables with proper terminations, terminals, terminal blocks, plug-ons, and all sorts of other accessories. We're going to have a good time, and when you are all done, you're going to have a whole bunch of electrical extra accessories added to your truck, and you will have done it properly and safely. And that is the only way that it should be done. FG off.
Hey, Mac. Let me take a whack at it. What am I doing?
So, as I was saying, what is this channel all about? Is it strictly going to be boring? This is how you do it, and screw this together and unscrew this and plug this in? No, we're definitely not going to do that. Well, not strictly alone anyway. Those things are important because you need to have a safely prepared, ready to go 4x4 to tackle those trails that you may be thinking about. Now, on this channel, are you going to see me jump my truck 7 feet in the air? No, you are not. I'll leave that for the Ford Raptor guys. I don't want to bend my frame in half. We're going to do things a little differently. I will show you some off-road footage. Yes, it will probably be weird, and if you like redneck engineering, oh, you've come to the right place, because we're going to show you some of that too. Our camera mounts were about the lowest tech you can imagine. It was a stainless steel hose clamp, and it worked great. There are ways of doing things that can be a little unorthodox and perhaps use parts that may not have been exactly planned for those types of uses, but they have their uses anyway. Now, I'm definitely not recommending you doing anything unsafe. We're going to go through those. We'll see what works, we'll see what doesn't work, and we'll see what you shouldn't do and what you probably should do. If you're planning on doing heavy-duty rock crawling or any serious off-road trailing, you're going to need to bring a lot of tools. We'll have a specific video about prepping your truck just for all of those what ifs. What am I going to need? How do I work a winch? Do I really need a winch? Should I have a snatch block? Do I need a tow rope? Practically all of those answers are yes. We will cover all of those, and when you are ready to go, you will be out there having a great time, and you will come home in one piece. Your truck will be safe, and you will be safe. That's the only way to do it. Let me mention before I go that I don't do all of this alone. I have my sidekicks, Bubba and the Jestinator. Bubba, actually also known as Vladimir. And yes, when you run some of these videos, you'll find out where he got his other nickname from. Guaranteed, you will find some humor here. It may not have been intentional, but you'll see it. And hopefully you have as much fun watching these videos as we had making them. It's been a good ride, and we're looking forward to many, many more videos and many, many more years together. Go out, get that truck dirty.
Sorry, folks. We ran out of gas. Yeah, you know how it is with these E-cards.
I wouldn't be that deep into Lily if I wasn't that brave.